Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious buffalo chicken dip. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of cooked, shredded chicken, 8 ounces of softened cream cheese, and 1/2 cup each of buffalo wing sauce and ranch or blue cheese dressing. Don't forget 1 cup of shredded cheddar or Monterey Jack cheese to complete your creamy, flavorful base. This combination creates the perfect foundation for a crowd-pleasing appetizer. Now let's get mixing. Start by preheating your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. In a large mixing bowl, combine the softened cream cheese with your chosen dressing. Stir these together until smooth. Next, pour in the buffalo wing sauce and mix until everything is beautifully blended. Finally, fold in your shredded chicken, ensuring every piece is coated with that amazing flavor. This step is crucial for a consistently delicious dip. Once your dip mixture is ready, spread it evenly into a baking dish. Then, generously sprinkle the remaining 1 cup of shredded cheese over the entire top. Place it in your preheated oven and bake for 20 to 25 minutes, or until the dip is hot and bubbly, and the cheese is perfectly melted and lightly golden. A quick garnish with chopped green onions or fresh parsley adds a nice touch. Your delicious buffalo chicken dip is now ready to enjoy. For the best experience, serve it warm and fresh from the oven. It pairs wonderfully with a variety of dippers. Think sturdy tortilla chips, your favorite crackers, or even fresh vegetable sticks like celery and carrots. Mini bell peppers or cucumber slices also make excellent, refreshing options. Get ready to impress your guests with this fantastic appetizer.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.